Far out in the vast, shimmering expanse of the South Pacific, there lies a kingdom of emerald islands and turquoise lagoons, a place where a proud Polynesian spirit beats strong. This is Tonga, officially the Kingdom of Tonga, one of the last remaining constitutional monarchies in the Pacific. It is a nation that holds a unique title, the only island country in the region that was never formally colonized. A powerful symbol of resilience and self-determination. Tonga is an archipelago of around 170 islands, though only about 36 are inhabited. Imagine them scattered across the deep blue ocean, divided into three main groups. To the south is Tonga Tapu, the largest island group and home to the capital, Nuku'alofa. Here, the royal palace stands with quiet dignity along the waterfront, a testament to a long and storied history. In the center lies Hapai, a tranquil haven of palm-fringed beaches and crystal-clear lagoons, offering a picture of pure, untouched paradise. To the north is Vava, famous for its dramatic limestone cliffs, deep, sheltered harbors, and world-renowned whale watching. From an aerial perspective, Tonga is a masterpiece. Streaks of turquoise and emerald are scattered across an endless canvas of royal blue. And beneath that beautiful surface, the ocean is teeming with life. Vibrant coral reefs create underwater cities for countless marine species, while majestic humpback whales make an incredible journey here every winter. They come to these protected waters to give birth and nurse their young, turning the seas into a sanctuary for new life. It's a spectacle of nature that is both humbling and uninspiring. The history of Tonga is deeply intertwined with its monarchy, which traces its lineage back over 1,000 years, making it one of the oldest continuous monarchies in the world. The modern royal family descends from the visionary King George Tupuai, who unified the islands in 1845. His reign was transformative. He established a written constitution in 1875, decades before many other nations in the Pacific even considered such a step. This strong foundation of governance and unity was the key that helped Tonga maintain its independence while neighboring islands fell under colonial rule. Even as the world has modernized, the monarchy remains a deeply respected institution. Ancient traditions, ceremonial rituals, and grand royal feasts are still celebrated with reverence, beautifully blending the old with the new. It's a living culture, where national pride is rooted in a history that has been carefully preserved. This unique heritage gives Tonga a distinct identity, a kingdom that stands proudly on its own terms. The people of Tonga are known for their incredible warmth and hospitality. They refer to their home as the Friendly Islands, a name given by Captain James Cook in 1773 after he was welcomed with open arms by the local chiefs. This spirit of friendliness isn't just a slogan, it's a way of life. At the heart of Tongan culture is the concept of whakapā, which translates to a deep and genuine respect for others. This core value shapes every aspect of society, from family and faith to social relationships. The extended family, or kanga, is the cornerstone of every Tongan's life. It's a powerful support system where decisions are often made collectively, and elders are held in the highest esteem for their wisdom and experience. Even today, you'll see villages working together as one, hosting grand feasts, repairing homes after a storm, or simply supporting one another through times of joy and sorrow. It's a beautiful display of community spirit. Religion also holds a sacred and central place in Tongan life. On Sundays, the entire kingdom seems to take a collective, peaceful breath. Shops close, streets quiet down, and families gather together for church services. The sound of powerful hymns echoes through the villages, harmonizing with the gentle rhythm of the ocean waves. Christianity was introduced by missionaries in the 19th century and has since become a cornerstone of the national identity, coexisting beautifully with ancient Polynesian customs and beliefs. The soul of Tonga is perhaps best expressed through its music, dance, and storytelling. These art forms are not just entertainment, they are a living record of their history, passed down from one generation to the next. The Lakalaka, a traditional group dance recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity, is a stunning example. It combines intricate poetry, synchronized movements, and powerful choral singing to honor chiefs, celebrate ancestors, and tell epic stories. During festivals, you might see men performing powerful meal faha chants, their voices resonating with strength, while women, adorned with beautiful tapa cloths and fragrant flower garlands, move with incredible grace to the beat of wooden drums. And of course, no Tongan celebration is complete without food. The umu, a traditional underground earth oven, is more than just a cooking method. It's a symbol of togetherness and generosity. Families gather to prepare feasts of roasted pig, taro, yams, and sweet tropical fruits. The air fills with the delicious aroma of slow-cooked food and the sound of laughter and stories being shared. This spirit of generosity extends to all guests. It's an unwritten rule in Tonga. No one leaves a home hungry or feeling unwelcomed. But life in this paradise is not without its challenges. Tonga's stunning natural beauty is also fragile. The islands sit along the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region known for its seismic activity. making them prone to earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. In January 2022, the world watched as the Tonga Hapai volcano erupted with terrifying force, sending shockwaves across the globe and triggering a devastating tsunami. Yet, even in the face of such a disaster, the unbreakable Tongan spirit shone through. Neighbors immediately helped neighbors. Families opened their homes to those who had lost everything, and together, they began the arduous process of rebuilding their lives. It was a powerful testament to their resilience. The economy of Tonga is built on the foundations of fishing, agriculture, and tourism. Local farmers cultivate yams, coconuts, and fragrant vanilla beans with care, while the clear blue waters provide a bounty from the sea. In recent years, ecotourism has become increasingly important, attracting visitors who seek authentic cultural experiences and natural wonder over mass-market luxury. Whale watching, in particular, offers a sustainable way to share the magic of the islands. The government and local communities are now focusing more on sustainability, working to protect their precious coral reefs and promote renewable energy to preserve this paradise for future generations. To truly know Tonga is to feel its rhythm. It's in the sound of the ocean waves mingling with heartfelt laughter. It's in the warmth of a family feast shared under the stars. It's in the reverence of Sunday prayers that float on the sea breeze, and in the echo of ancient songs that tell tales of heroes and gods. This is a nation where tradition dances gracefully with modernity, where community triumphs over isolation, and where the vibrant spirit of the Pacific beats strong and proud. Tonga is not merely a place on a map. It is a living, breathing story of resilience, culture, and connection. It is a small kingdom with an enormous heart. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey to the incredible kingdom of Tonga. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. We'll see you next time.